All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Garry Dean, Rapid Ride Rehab, Tampa Bay, Florida. Got my lovely daughter down there, Madison. She and my wife have been prepping this car for a couple of days. Now, yes, I own a professional body and paint shop. And yes, we are outside right now, and we're gonna paint this car outside. I've got a very professional paint booth, but I am demoing the Inokraft Drizzle X, the DX from Inokraft. It is an all-in-one portable device that allows the DIYer, or even the professional, to paint a car and not have to have a big compressor, or any compressor, hoses, moisture filters, a gun, none of that. You don't need any of it. So let me show you around what we got going on, then I'm actually just going to jump right in to getting to work with this beast. It's going to be a pretty extravagant paint job, but it's a cheaper one, and it's for my daughter's car, so we're doing it outside and with no, I shouldn't say so we're doing it. It's not a Ferrari, but it is a very nice, and she loves it, a 17 Kia Soul. I absolutely did not go crazy on the body work. I did just a little bit of body work back here because it was smashed in a bit. There's still dents, and we're not doing that. We're giving her a pretty blinged out paint job. And we're gonna do this in sections because I'm very busy with work, and she works, and she's about to go back to college and all the things. Anyway, long story short, they got this thing prepped between yesterday and today I'm going to spray it. It is all sanded down with 600 grit. It is all prepped up. The lovely Miss Madison is currently wiping down with 99% isopropyl alcohol, giving it a good wipe down. Got everything ready to go for the most part. I am going to be doing, so I'm going to have to shoot the I'll show you what's going on. Jeez. All right, so long story short, I got the Inokraft Drizzle X. So there's the DX. I just mixed up some high-tech black right there. We are going to be doing a pretty cool gold effect. This is what we're going with. It'll be gold by day, and you probably can't see it, but it has holographic metallic in it as well, and this speed shape needs another coat. If you notice the black in there, it won't be in there in the paint job. So what I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to paint the black base with the DX. I'm then going to switch it up to this 20-gallon compressor. I use an 80-gallon, which I have over there in the corner for my booth, but I wheel this around whenever I need to do something outside or not where I can access the other one. I got 2 moisture filters on this, should be plenty. And then 35-foot Flexzilla hose, high flow filters, all the things. I am gonna be shooting the metallics out of a R500, nothing fancy. It has a 1.5 tip. And when you are getting your sparkles, pay attention to the size that they are. These are 0.008, I believe. So I'm going to spray them out of a 1.5. And that's that. So I'm going to do the DX with the black, turn this thing black. So 2 to 3 coats black. After that, I'm going to use the compressor, the 20-gallon North Star compressor. That thing's actually 7.3 CFM at 90, which is pretty gangster for a 20-gallon compressor. Then after I get my 3-ish coats of metallic down, I'm then going to grab the DX again to spray 2 coats of clear on it. So with all that said, I'm going to go ahead and help her finish getting this thing wiped down, and then I'm just going to jump into spraying this thing. So I'm going to put you up on the tripod and let you see me and the DX do that work, baby.